Hey y'all, it's Vanessa with Farmgirl Gardens and Market. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, thanks for following along. I am a master composter and edible garden coach in North Central Texas, and this channel is just documenting my journey recovering this farmstead project. So today we are installing our Mammoth sunflowers in our market bed. The reason that you would install Mammoth sunflowers in an organically sustained garden, in addition to just being beautiful and a wonderful market crop, is that they actually serve as a supportive plant, pulling away negative insects from your desirable crops and serving as a sacrificial plant, as a companion plant in a permaculture sustained garden. So the next time you are out and you see a sunflower, take a look at that stem. You'll notice that it almost has thorns along the stem, that lots of critters are hanging on it, and that it's just really its own biome for life. They're a wonderful addition for that reason, and I do encourage you to grow them. And in addition to that, they can actually be stored and used as seed heads for your hens' winter fodder. And so anything that doesn't sell this season, we will store over winter for our hens to use. And it's just, again, a wonderful way to get some beauty and some summer interest into your garden. Oh, and don't forget, the sunflower stalks themselves, the mammoth ones can get about the size of your wrists. And so if you have a bunch of seeds and you have the space, go ahead and grow them, because all of those uses we discussed, in addition, you can actually use them as poles to trellis things up in the seasons ahead. So just lots of great uses for that. But what I like to do is I make use of the dollar store kitty litter trays. Instead of 10-20 trays, 10-20 trays, if you're unfamiliar in the agricultural world, those are kind of the standard industrial black trays that you see in greenhouse production. They are not cheap. Now, they're about $5 a tray, but they'll last you forever. I don't have that type of capital in a desk, and most of my garden leaders don't. So the Dollar Tree kitty litter trays are a great dupe for a 10-20 tray. I just put in my seed sowing mix, germinate everything in mass, and it kind of functions as a block planting method. Then you would go in and pull out your little seedling, and you can just see how aggressive these roots are on the sunflower. Now here in our row, what I've done is I've actually gone out and cut out our holes that we're going to be planting in. And I'm just going to turn the soil over just a little bit, just to give these new baby roots that are getting disturbed a good workable soil, so that they don't have to work too hard to get in. And then I'm going to take our guy, plop him in, pack the soil in over top of him. I like to do kind of this triangle move, because it's really important when you're transplanting that you get those roots to make good contact with the soil. If you can do that and water them in well, then really you're minimizing the amount of stress on the plant. So I'm going to continue to work out this whole row, fill them full of sunflowers, and then just check in back throughout the season as they grow. This is an 80-day crop, so it's going to be about September until these are at their full height of maturity. And believe it or not, at full height, mammoth sunflowers can reach up to 18 feet. So I'm not sure that we will see them at this height. These have been spaced on 12-foot centers. So ours, I'm expecting to get about 12 to 15 feet. But until next time, I will see you. I hope that you are well. Happy growing.